Rennet Muck, peace. I'm under the car, Elvira. Getting ready to change this pan. See if I can do it without making a mess. I'll probably make a mess. And then I also want to remove, let's see here, one of these transmission lines. This one right here. This one right here I want to remove because that is the one that's leaking. This one is the one that's been cut and spliced and is not leaking. So it was probably leaking before. But anyway, let's get after it. All right, so there is some crud in it, which I assume this filter's never been changed, fluid's never been changed, so it's not surprising. The important thing is it doesn't smell burnt. The transmission fluid's always smelled and looked really good. So yeah, and then the good news is right there's the filter. I got one bolt. Take that dude out, tube over there, put the new filter on, clean all this guy up, and the new pan goes on. It's really not a big deal at all to change tranny fluid in an old car. So I guess I should point out, so the pan was stuck pretty tight. You seen me, if you could tell, I used a screwdriver, couldn't get it, used a little pry bar, couldn't get it. I ended up with a claw hammer because it wedged in a spot real good and it gave me some good leverage. And I lost a little fluid here and there, but yeah, all in all, that is not the worst pan I've ever taken loose and got the fluid out of, because sometimes, man, it all comes down at once. So I left 3 bolts in it. this one here, this one here, and this one here, that hopefully was going to kick it to this corner, which it did, and that made most of my fluid go right here, and it worked out just like I wanted it to. So you know, I can't complain. But anyway, let me work on getting this filter changed, and we'll go from there. All right, lines on, pans on. I put 3 quarts in. Jeg sent me 4. I put 3 quarts in. I'm gonna raise her up just a little bit, and then I'm gonna get in and fire her up and let her run through gears. I don't know where's the best place to put you guys at, but you know, hey, maybe through there. I don't know. There. That might hold you. I really don't like taking the car off of, not having the car on the locks, but you know, I think she'll be all right. She hasn't been started for a while. I think I left the battery hooked up. Yeah. Yeah. This is hard to get in like this. Gotta step here and step there. But anyway, all right. Let's see what she does. Well, she moves. That's good. Set her down. I got her in park. Open the garage door. Let her get warm and see where the transmission fluid's at. And if she's not full, I'll finish filling her up. I don't expect her to be full. And I wouldn't be surprised if the last quart isn't enough to get it there. But, you know, getting close. So we'll let her warm up and we'll go from there. All right, there you have it. Full of fluid, line on, tranny pan on, filter changed. So she's ready for a drive. I'm just probably not going to drive her right now. But yeah, I don't have any doubts that she'll be fine. I say that as I watch water leak on my floor. Where'd that antifreeze come from? Great. It's always something. See that? Look, there's some antifreeze. Where are you coming from, Mr. Antifreeze? Looks like it's coming from right there. This hose here, the upper hose, I probably had you in my face, didn't I? But yeah, so it's coming from right there. It's running down right there. So that hose clamp needs tightened up a little bit. I'll get on it. But yeah, I think she's good. So besides, she's fighting me every step of the way, but that's normal with cars. Get used to it. So anyway, Brendan Muck, peace.